Dean of the Sassoon Hospital has now been sent on compulsory leave. This is after the Dean of the Pune's hospital had claimed that one of the doctors accused of replacing the blood samples of the teenager behind the Porsche accident that took place in Pune has been made the head of the forensic department at the insistence of a state minister, and an MLA. The legislator Sunil Tingre was also accused of visiting the Yerewada police station after the crash that claimed 2 lives of the IT professionals. Now, also what we are hearing is that a committee has been asked to investigate the members of the JJB, the Juvenile Justice Board. The investigation committee will prepare a report within a matter of a week, and the Pune Crime Branch has seized the third vehicle which was used by the father to flee to Aurangabad. Also, claims are being made that there were conversations that were taking place between that doctor who swapped the sample and the father of the teenager over 40 times. This is what is being said. While it is Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister who's gone on to say that he's ready to take a narco test, and that if that's proved that he is innocent, then the activist Anjali Damania can go ahead and take sannyas, because she has claimed that it was the Commissioner of Pune. He had asked, it is in fact Ajit Pawar who had put pressure on the police commissioner to go easy as far as this case is concerned.
मिस्टर पटोले, पुणे केस बहुत ही कॉम्प्लेक्स हो रहा है. आपने बहुत सारे एलिगेशंस लगाए हैं. आपने कहा कि देयर इज पॉलिटिकल इंटरफेरेंस. कैन यू एलैबोरेट?
आपने देखा होगा कि वो सापड़े कमेटी उनने बनाई, तो डॉक्टर सापड़े के ऊपर कितने चार्जेस है वो भी थोड़ा जांच कर लीजिएगा. और इसलिए हमने कहा कि जिस तरह से ड्रग माफिया को, अनाधिकृत पब को जो पुलिस और सरकार का जो सपोर्ट है वो स्पष्ट होता है. जहाँ पर ब्लड का नमूना भी बदल दिया गया, ये भी उसमें एक बात स्पष्ट हो चुकी है. तो सरकार का कितना दबाव प्रशासन पे एकदम स्पष्ट है, और मुझे लगता है कि सरकार छुपा रही है, वास्तविकता छुपा रही है, और इसलिए हमारी मांग है कि इसमें सीबीआई की जांच है.
जी, लेकिन आपने एक एमएलए के बारे में बोला, एमएलए के बेटे के बारे में भी बोला कि वो पैसेंजर सीट में थे, तो उसके बारे में आप बताइए.
बिल्कुल, आपको हमने कहा है कि उसमें क्योंकि अभी तक जो लोग गाड़ी में थे उनके नाम सामने नहीं आए. क्यों नहीं आए? तो कुछ ना कुछ दाल में काला है.
हा, तावरेंच्या संबंधामध्ये मी सांगतो की ते एक पत्र जे आहे ते आपल्याला माहिती आहे, जे मीडियावरती आहे. एक पत्र जे आहे, एक पत्र जे एक आमदार महोदय आहे त्यांनी ते पत्र दिलेलं आहे. त्याच्यावरती आमचे मंत्री ते पत्र ऑलरेडी आहे. नाही घाबरू. ते पत्र जे आहे ते आमदार सुनील टिंगरे यांनी ते पत्र दिलेलं होतं. आमदार सुनील टिंगरे यांनी ते पत्र दिलेलं होतं. ते पत्र डिटेल मला नाही, त्याच्यावरती सांगतो की त्या पत्रावरती आमचे मंत्री महोदयांनी लिहिलेलं होतं अधिष्ठाता यांना.
अजितदादांना या सगळ्या प्रकरणामध्ये त्यामध्ये माझी नार्को टेस्टची तयारी आहे, पण मी नार्को टेस्टमध्ये क्लिअर निघालो तर तिनं परत कुठं तुमच्या पुढे यायचं नाही, गप्प घरी बसून संन्यास घ्यायचा.
पूना में जो घटना घटी है उसके बाद मैंने तुरंत जाकर वहाँ बैठक की थी, और उस समय मैंने कहा था हम किसी को छोड़ेंगे नहीं, और लगातार इसके तह तक हम जा रहे हैं. हर व्यक्ति का नकाब उतारने का काम यहाँ पर हो रहा है. जो थोड़ा भी लिप्त है, थोड़ा भी संलग्नित है, ऐसे सभी को हम लोग उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं. किसी को हम छोड़ेंगे नहीं. ये बात अलग है कि कुछ लोग इसके आड़े किसी और के कंधे पर बंदूक रख के किसी और पर निशाना चलाना चाहते हैं, इसका राजनीतिकरण करना चाहते हैं, उनका भी पर्दाफाश होगा. और जो लोग इसमें रत्ती भर भी लिप्त है, ऐसे सभी लोगों को हिसाब देना पड़ेगा.
Right, we have Sujata joining us to get us the very latest on this. Sujata, now what we're hearing is that AI tools will be used in order to recreate the scene.
Well, exactly, Divya. And also now that we see a committee has been formed, a 5-member committee by to speculate the JJB's decision of providing the juvenile a bail within 15 hours of his arrest is going to be interrogated. And apart from that, now that the dean has been sent on a forced leave, and also after he stated, then he reinstated actually that the doctor had got a minister's note saying that the doctor should be promoted as the head, has led to another controversial statement now. And apart from that, the Pune crime branch is also probing and investigating the call records that have come to their notice, in which the juvenile's father can be seen calling not only Dr. Tavre but also MLA Sunil Tingre several times that night after the accident for them to step up and take action to save the juvenile. So at present, interrogation is underway, and today the custody of all the three arrested people from the hospital is going to end, after which they will be presented in the Pune Shivajinagar court, where police will be seeking their further custody to understand of how many calls were made and why were they made, and who others are involved in this entire criminal conduct, where it was not only the tampering of evidence but also because of the past involvement of Dr. Tavre, be it in the kidney racket claims or other than that. So at present, Tavre and Harnoor has been suspended after DMER inquiry, and apart from that, the dean has been sent on a forced leave. And today as well, after they'll be presented in court, further interrogation is underway. But at present, the JJB is under the radar to answer the questions that have been raised, after which the report will be submitted by the committee to the Maharashtra government within a week, and further actions will be taken accordingly. Over to you.